everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to achieve maximum beauty using just a few products. So the first thing I did, which my camera didn't catch, was apply sheep placenta serum all over my face. I know it sounds gross, but believe me, it works wonders on your skin. The product I use is called Bell Placenta Serum, and what that does is reduce the wrinkles, and of course it also hydrates your skin very nicely. So for foundation I use a mixture of these three products. I mix the foundation with these two luminizing creams, and as you can see, it's not too heavy on my skin. Then I'm gonna use a light matte color on my upper eyelid and a champagne colored highlighter on my brow bone. By the way, if you're wondering what kind of eyeshadows I use, it's mostly Sugar Pill and Lime Crime. After that, I'm gonna use a super pigmented orange color on my eye crease, and I'm also gonna put that on the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna blend. The sharp unblended lines of a cut crease look doesn't fit my eyes very well, so I'm gonna do a soft version of it. I'm actually also going to use some red pigment on my lower lash line, eye crease, and on the inner corners of my eye to give it a little bit more dimension. I know I look like a zombie right now, but trust me, after I put some eyeliner and nice lashes, my eyes will look from sick to fierce real quick. The eyeliner is such an important step of my makeup routine. I could never do a full face without it. I'm honestly so envious of people who can rock eye makeup without the eyeliner. Even if I apply only a small amount of brown or peach eyeshadow, my eyes just end up looking dirty or unfinished. So I don't want my eyebrows to stand out too much since I want my eyes to be the main focus of this look, so I'm just gonna fill in my brows very lightly. So what I love to do lately is applying some more mixed foundation under my eyes after I finish blending the eyeshadow. As you can see, it makes the eyes and the colors pop way more. Now I'm gonna put the mixed foundation on the rest of my face, and I'm gonna do only one layer because I don't really like full coverage makeup. I actually don't mind when some pimples and some discoloration show through. I am a fan of my cheekbones, so I'm gonna use a brown bronzer to sculpt them and make them much more visible. I think the best features of my face are definitely my cheekbones and sometimes my lips when they are not crusty or dry. I like to overline only the cupid's bow part of my lips because I think it makes my lips look more kissable and cute. Then I'm using a bunch of different lip colors, which I didn't end up liking because it just didn't harmonize with the eye makeup, so I just put the orange makeup that I used for my eyes on top of my lips. This look is pretty nice so far, but it needs an eye catcher, something that makes you take a double take. Something like this. Before I let you go, I want to share some cute accessories I made for my shop the past few weeks. I made booby charms in different skin colors. You can get them as chokers and necklaces. If you want a different type of choker for the booby charms, for example a transparent one or a chain choker one or one with a bow, you can specify it in the little notebooks at checkout. For any more questions, you can always email me. I also made some doll face keychains. Currently, I only made 4, but I'm planning to make more. Quarantine has been super boring the past few days, so I created some new, creepy special doll face necklaces. I love how these turned out. This one is obviously a cute version of it. This one is inspired by the clown from the movie Poltergeist. I like the mini creepy Mickey Mouse face that I made in the past so much that I wanted to create a bigger one with more details on the eyes. This one is actually inspired by these scary looking Looney Tune faces. Another bunny face inspired by this cursed image, and the rest are inspired by airheaded K-pop stars. Just kidding. And last but not least, I made something completely new, which is nude body brooches in different styles. A sexual one, a fairy, a basic torso one, and one where you can see everything. All these new items are now available on my shop. Please know that each creation is handmade and unique, so it's only available once. The link to my shop is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye bye!